Hi there, students. Nefarious. Nefarious is an adjective. You could have the adverb nefariously. Okay, if something is described as nefarious, it's immoral. It's not honest. It's wicked. Yeah? It's impious. Okay, so something that is morally bad, something that is morally wrong. The company seems to have been involved in various nefarious activities. Yeah, morally wrong. They may be illegal, they may not, but if it's nefarious, it's morally wrong. Extremely wicked. So there was a nefarious plot to embezzle the bank. Okay, extremely wicked and corrupt, horrible, base, criminal, evil, monstrous, vile, depraved. He was accused of various nefarious acts. The newspapers like to find scandals about famous people and then go into great detail over the nefarious things they have done. Yeah, the despicable, evil things that they have done that are wrong. Okay, so that's the idea of nefarious. Villainous, sinful, criminal. Let's see. There was a boy who looked like he was up to nefarious activities. Yeah, it looked like he was going to steal something. Yeah, the nefarious schemes of extreme politicians, maybe extreme right wing or extreme left wing. Yeah. I wish they would stop acting nefariously. Okay, so nefarious, extremely wrong, illegal, immoral. Yeah? Where have you been? Up to some nefarious activities again. Yeah? Living some nefarious lifestyle, perhaps. Okay, so nefarious, evil, wrong, good for nothing, underhanded, sinister. Yeah, a nefarious plot. Yeah, in the Batman films, the Joker is always planning some nefarious plot to show how powerful he is. Yeah, films very often have a villain who likes to act nefariously. So, how formal is this word nefarious? This is pretty formal. I'd probably give it something like 7.5 informality. Yeah, you could just use evil, wicked, immoral, if you were going to use it more informally. And then the origin itself comes from Latin, nefarious, meaning, abominable, terrible. Yeah, which in itself comes from ne fas, nay, not, and fas, according to divine word, according to the instructions of God. And then I think it then goes even further back to Indo-European roots. Okay, ne fas again. Okay, so nefarious, something that's extremely wicked, something that's unlawful, something that you shouldn't be doing. It's an offense against a divine law. Yeah, so if you're saying somebody is doing something nefarious, yeah, you're saying they're doing something very bad, although I think people very often use it euphemistically. So it might not actually be that bad at all. Okay, so nefarious. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nefarious.